India's pharmaceutical industry is a global powerhouse, renowned for its vast production capabilities and innovative approaches. It is the world's largest provider of generic drugs, producing a significant portion of the world's supply. This industry has grown exponentially over the past few decades, driven by a commitment to quality and affordability. India supplies over 50% of global demand for vaccines, playing a crucial role in immunization programs worldwide. The country's expertise in vaccine production has been instrumental in combating various diseases. The country also provides 40% of generic demand in the United States, ensuring that millions have access to essential medications. This contribution is vital for maintaining public health in one of the world's largest economies. These figures highlight India's crucial role in global healthcare, showcasing its ability to meet international demands efficiently. The reach of Indian pharmaceuticals extends to over 200 countries, making it a key player in the global market. India's journey to pharmaceutical leadership is a story of innovation, marked by significant advancements in research and development. The industry has continually evolved, embracing new technologies and methodologies. It is also a story of resilience, as the industry has faced and overcome numerous challenges, including regulatory hurdles and market competition. The determination and hard work of countless individuals have been pivotal to its success. From humble beginnings, the industry overcame numerous challenges, transforming from small-scale operations to a global leader. This transformation is a testament to the vision and perseverance of Indian entrepreneurs and scientists. It emerged as a force for good in the world, providing life-saving medications and vaccines to millions. The impact of India's pharmaceutical industry is felt far and wide, improving health outcomes globally. This success story carries a powerful message, demonstrating that with dedication and innovation, significant global contributions can be made. It serves as an inspiration to other industries and nations. It shows that healthcare can be both affordable and accessible, breaking down barriers to treatment and ensuring that even the most vulnerable populations receive the care they need. India's example inspires other developing nations, proving that with the right strategies and investments, they too can build robust pharmaceutical industries. They too can strive for self-reliance in healthcare, ensuring that their populations have access to essential medications and vaccines, ultimately leading to healthier and more prosperous societies. The roots of India's pharmaceutical revolution can be traced back to a single individual, Prafulla Chandra Ray. Born in 1861, Ray was a visionary chemist. He is considered the father of Indian chemistry. Ray believed in the power of science to uplift India. He founded Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals in 1901. This was one of India's first pharmaceutical companies. Ray's legacy extends far beyond his company. He inspired generations of Indian scientists. They would go on to establish India's dominance in chemistry and pharmaceuticals. His emphasis on self-reliance laid the groundwork for India's future success. The year 1970 marked a turning point for India's pharmaceutical industry. The Indian government passed the Patents Act. This law played a crucial role in shaping the industry's future. The 1970 Patent Act did not recognize product patents for pharmaceuticals. Instead, it only granted process patents. This meant Indian companies could reverse engineer existing drugs. They could then manufacture and sell them at lower prices. This policy fostered competition and innovation in the Indian market. It led to the production of affordable generic medicines. This move was critical in making essential drugs accessible to millions in India and beyond. The HIV/AIDS epidemic in the 1990s posed a significant challenge to global health. Life-saving antiretroviral drugs were prohibitively expensive. Millions of people, especially in developing countries, were left without treatment. Indian pharmaceutical companies stepped up to address this crisis. They utilized their expertise in generic drug production. This made it possible to manufacture affordable versions of these crucial medications. The impact was profound. India's affordable generics made treatment accessible to millions worldwide. This significantly contributed to the global fight against HIV/AIDS. It cemented India's reputation as a reliable supplier of essential medicines. Section 5. the rise of the generic giant. Over the decades, India has emerged as a pharmacy to the world. The country has become the world's largest provider of generic drugs. This success can be attributed to several factors. Indian companies boast low manufacturing costs. This is due to factors like affordable labor and efficient processes. They also benefit from a large pool of skilled scientists and engineers. Furthermore, government policies have supported the growth of the pharmaceutical sector. This combination of factors has enabled India to produce high-quality medicines at affordable prices. This has made healthcare accessible to millions globally. It has also positioned India as a leader in the global pharmaceutical landscape. Section 6A, Lifeline during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic presented unprecedented challenges to the world. Demand for vaccines and treatments soared. India once again rose to the occasion, leveraging its pharmaceutical prowess. Indian companies played a critical role in vaccine development and production. The Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, became a key supplier of COVID-19 vaccines. India also provided essential drugs and medical equipment to numerous countries. India's contribution extended beyond manufacturing. The country shared its expertise and collaborated with other nations. This global effort highlighted India's commitment to fighting the pandemic. It reinforced its position as a responsible leader in global health. Section 7. Healthcare for all, a right, not a privilege. Healthcare is a fundamental human right, not a privilege reserved for a few. This belief is the cornerstone of India's healthcare philosophy. India's pharmaceutical journey is driven by a deeply rooted belief in making healthcare accessible to everyone. From its early days, the country has focused on developing a robust pharmaceutical industry. Healthcare should be a right, not a privilege. This principle guides the actions of healthcare professionals across the nation, ensuring that every individual receives the care they need. This principle is evident in the country's focus on affordable medicines. By prioritizing cost-effective solutions, India has made essential medications available to millions. It's also evident in its efforts to improve access to healthcare for all. Initiatives like mobile healthcare units and rural clinics ensure that even the most remote communities are not left behind. India's commitment to providing affordable medicines has had a profound impact. The country's pharmaceutical exports have reached developing nations, offering a lifeline to those in need. It has saved millions of lives worldwide. The availability of affordable medicines has transformed healthcare outcomes, bringing hope and healing to countless individuals. It has also inspired other countries to prioritize healthcare accessibility. India's model has become a blueprint for nations striving to improve their healthcare systems. This dedication to healthcare for all underscores India's humanitarian approach. The nation's efforts extend beyond its borders, reaching out to global communities in need. It positions the country as a champion for global health equity. India's leadership in healthcare has earned it international recognition and respect. It serves as a model for other nations striving to improve healthcare accessibility for their citizens. By following India's example, countries around the world can work towards a future where healthcare is truly a right, not a privilege. As Section 8, a legacy of innovation and compassion. From P.C. Ray's pioneering work in the early 20th century to the country's robust response to global health crises in the 21st century, India's pharmaceutical journey is nothing short of remarkable. P.C. Ray, often regarded as the father of Indian chemistry, laid the foundation for what would become a thriving industry. It's a story of relentless innovation, resilience in the face of challenges, and a deep-seated commitment to making healthcare accessible to all. Indian scientists and researchers have continuously pushed the boundaries of what is possible, developing new drugs and therapies that have saved countless lives. As India continues to lead in pharmaceutical production and innovation, it carries forward a legacy that is both rich and inspiring. This legacy is built on the hard work and dedication of countless individuals who have devoted their lives to the betterment of global health. This legacy is one of compassion and a dedication to global health equity. Indian healthcare workers, doctors and nurses work tirelessly to ensure that even the most remote communities have access to essential medical services. India's commitment to affordable medicines sets an example for the world. By prioritizing affordability and accessibility, India has made life-saving medications available to millions who might otherwise go without. India's pharmaceutical revolution is far from over. The country continues to invest in cutting-edge research and development, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of medical innovation. The country continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, exploring new frontiers in drug development and medical technology. Indian scientists are at the helm of groundbreaking research that promises to transform healthcare as we know it. It is researching new drugs and developing innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing health challenges. From combating infectious diseases to addressing chronic conditions, India's pharmaceutical industry is making significant strides. With its unwavering dedication to healthcare for all, India will undoubtedly remain a force for good in the world. Its efforts to improve global health outcomes and ensure that no one is left behind are a testament to its enduring legacy of innovation and compassion.